Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th and we are on chapter 24 and exercise 24a. But before starting the exercise, let me tell you one thing. Once again, that since third wave has started or third wave is about to say get set go. So please take care of yourself and you have to take care, you have to go through all the protocols, you have to follow all the protocols, maintain distancing, mask, sanitization, time to time updation, medication, all these things you have to take care. Okay, that is very, very crucial and important. Okay, so please take care of yourself, and while taking care of yourself, you are taking care of your family also. Okay, so I really, really sincerely request you all to take care of yourself in all the senses. Okay, so let's start exercise 24a and we were on question number 3. In the adjoining figure, figure out the number of angles formed within the arms OA and OE. So you can see the figure and it is said that name the number and name the angles which are formed between OA and OE. OA and OE. So number of angles we are going to check. Okay. So let's start with A, angle AOB. You can see angle AOB, then angle AOC, AOB, AOC I have written. Then angle AOD. Angle AOD is not there. I'll write here. Angle AOD. Angle AOB. Then angle AOC. Then angle AOD. Then angle AOE, which I have already written. Okay. Then A's work is over. Now B. Angle BOC, which is here. Angle BOC. Then angle BOD, which is here. Angle BOE, which is here. Angle BOE. So we have written all the angles first with which formed with A, then B. Why? So as to make our work easier and systematic. Okay. Then COD, angle COD. Then angle COE, angle COE. C's work is over. Now D, angle DOE, angle DOE. Okay. And AOE was done before only. So let us see the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 angles are formed. Okay. Question number 4, add 29 degree. Now let us see what is the question. Let us see how has to be solved. Add 29 degree 16 minutes 23 seconds and 8 degree 27 minutes and 12 seconds. So this is 16 minutes and this is 23 seconds. Okay. So arrange it properly. 29 degree 16 minutes and 23 seconds plus 8 degree 27 minutes and 12 seconds. As the usual way, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3. 16 plus 27, 16 minutes plus 27 minutes gives you 43 minutes and 29 degree plus 8 degree gives you 37 degree. So here this is the final answer. No need to change here. But in some cases you will see that this number or this number, that is seconds or minutes, if they are more than 60, then we have to follow different rules. Let us see how. 9 degree, let us add this. 9 degree 45 minutes 56 seconds plus 73 degree 8 minutes. 8 minutes we have written 08 minutes for our understanding and 15 seconds. Okay, now let us add. So 56 seconds plus 15 seconds gives me 71 seconds. 45 minute plus 8 minute gives me 53 minutes. And 9 plus 79 degree plus 73 degree gives me 82 degree. Now here everything is alright except this 71. Out of these two, if one number is 60 or 60 seconds or 60 minutes, what you have to do is 70. Now here in this case this is more than 60, right? So this is more than 60, so rule applies for this. So let us, what we have to do is, since 60 minutes 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, what you have to do is 71 minus 60. 71 minus 71 seconds minus 60 seconds gives me 11 seconds. Okay, 71 seconds minus 60 seconds give me 11 seconds. You will ask why we have to subtract 60? Because 71 is more than 60. So let us subtract 60 from 71. After subtracting 60 from 71, I have got 11 seconds. So those 11 seconds should be written here. Okay, and now we have subtracted 60 seconds, but 60 seconds means what? 1 minute. 60 seconds, you know that 60 seconds is 1 minute. So that 1 minute will now go in minute section. You know this is minute section and this is second section. So that 1 minute will go to 53 and it will become 54 minute and 82 degree will be as it is. Alright. So if any of these are more than 60, so subtract 60 from it and add 1 to left side. Now here it is more than 60. So subtract 60, whatever is left, write the answer here and add plus to left side, that is minute section. If here it is more than 60, add 1 to left side, that is degree section, and left after subtracting 60 from the said number, write it here. Okay, let us see the third example. 56 degree 38 minute 0 seconds plus 27 degree 42 minute 30 seconds. Okay, so 0 plus 30 30 seconds. 38 plus 42 minutes 80 minutes. 56 plus 27 83 degree. Now here I had told you any one of them are, if any one or both are above 60, just subtract 60 from them. So here no issues because it is less than 60. But here you know 80 minus 60 will give me 20. 80 minus 60 gives me 20. And this plus 1 to 83 degree, that it became 84 degree. Okay. So what we have done is, this is more than 60. So subtract 60. 80 minus 60 is 20. This 30 seconds as it is. 80 minus 60 is 20 minutes and 1 added to degrees. Why? Because 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Okay. Fourth one is homework. Now question number 5. In the figure given alongside, name 3 pairs of adjacent angles, 2 acute, 2 obtuse and 2 reflex. Let us see the figure first. The figure is this. You can see CA is a line, OB, OD, again OA is there. Okay. So first we have to find out 3 pair of adjacent angles. 3 pair of adjacent angles. Let us see 3 pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are the angles which share one common vertex and one common arm. Okay. So let us see angle COD and angle AOD. So angle COD means this angle and angle AOD means this angle. So these two angles are sharing OD arm. Okay, so we say that angle COD and angle AOD are adjacent angle. This is the first pair. Okay, now let us see the second pair. DOA, angle DOA, that is this angle, and angle AOB, that is this angle. So in this, OA is common arm. In this angle and this angle, OA is common arm, or both the angles share OA as common. Okay, then so angle DOA and angle AOB are adjacent angles. Angle AOB. Angle AOB, this is angle AOB, and angle BOC. So this is angle BOC. So angle AOB and angle COB are adjacent angles because they share OB as the common arm. Now two acute angles. Acute angles means which are less than 60 degrees. So when I was explaining the concept, you know what type of angles they are. So acute angles are angle AOB and angle AOD. By looking at the figure, you should understand which is acute. Okay, so angle AOB and angle AOD are acute angles. Next is obtuse angle. Two obtuse angle. Obtuse angles means more than 90 degree. So angle COD or angle DOC and angle BOC or angle COB are obtuse angle. You know, all the acute angles are this way. And all the obtuse angles have this type of shape. Okay, this is acute and all these are obtuse. Two reflex angles. So two reflex angles means naming is same, only you have to write reflex there. Okay, so if I choose AOB, reflex AOB means this. Reflex AOB, reflex angle AOB means leaving acute angle AOB everything, means from here to here, here to here, that is outside angle AOB, that is reflex angle AOB and reflex angle AOD. Reflex angle AOD means outside angle, this outside angle, this. Okay, so these are the two examples. So just check, you can write also in your notebook. Now let us see question number 6. In the given figure, PQR is a straight line. If the figure you can see here, PQR is a straight line. If angle, first sub question is, if angle SQR is 75 degree, find PQS. If angle XQR means this angle is 75, find PQS. Let us see. You can see the figure, PQR is a straight line. PQR is a straight line. Okay. And then question is, SQR is 75 degree. Okay, for first one. Angle SQR is, this is 75 degree. And PQS, this is what I have to find out. Okay. All right. So since PQR is a straight line, now question is how to find out such type of questions. This is come for the first time, so you should understand. PQR is a straight line, so angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to 180 degree. You will say why 180 degree? Because you know this is a straight angle. If you think only on this part, this is a straight angle. This is a straight angle. This is a straight angle. Straight angle means what? 180 degree. So angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Why? Because PQS and SQR if added, they will form 180 degree. So angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to 180 degree. So what is PQS given? PQS, I don't know. We have to find the PQS. So PQS we have to find, and value of SQR is given. Okay, so substitute value of SQR 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. So now plus 75 when transferred to RHS, that is right hand side, it plus 75 becomes minus 75. So 180 is already on the RHS. So 180 degree minus 75 degree is equal to 105 degree. So here what is the new concept which you are studying is plus 75 is to be transferred to right side, that is RHS. This is LHS is equal to RHS. So plus 75 when transferred to right hand side, it becomes minus 75 degree. Okay, so PQS is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree, which is 105 degree. Okay. So same thing, second, you will see the second question. Second question, in second sub question, it is clearly given PQS. So where is PQS? PQS is now given as 110. So in second question, PQS, angle PQS is given 110 and angle RQS is to be found. So method is same. Since PQR is a straight line, I can add the angles. So angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to 180 degree. So PQS is given 110 degree plus angle SQR is equal to 180 degree. So angle SQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, which is equal to 70 degree. So what we have to do is, this is here nothing is there, means plus 110 should be transposed to right hand side. So 180 degree is already here. 180 degree minus 110 degree gives you 70 degree. Okay. So next video we'll see in the next questions we'll see in the next video soon. Okay, thank you so much and please take care of yourself.